Cool. All right, so let's set up our remote. I think we're going to need some batteries, and it says we're going to need 2 standard AAA batteries. So I'm going to go grab those. All right, before you put your batteries in, I always check them. I've got this little battery checker. You put the negative side here, positive there. That one's good. Good, so we got 2 good batteries. We'll use those. All right, to get them into the remote, if you look on the back, you just push this. There you go. Springs get negative. So you go negative side to flat side, push it in there. Flat side, push it in. Bam. To get this back on, you just kind of slide it on. See, it's got little channels and it pops there. Bam, you're ready to go. So now we're good. So let's go ahead and turn it off here. Okay, now if I turn it on the power here, let's see what happens. Bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to go. Okay, so let's pull back for a second so you guys can see. All right, so here's our remote. That was our power button. Watch, power button. Turns it off. It takes a couple seconds for it to completely go out of, to turn off, but it will turn off. To turn it on, you click here. It's at 61 degrees Fahrenheit. It's showing it on here too. Now it's going to 78. All right, now if you want to lower it, you would click on this button. If you want to raise it, you click on this button. And apparently I've got to go to the temperature I want from this. So it's kind of weird the way that works. All right, that's good. All right, so now we've got the mode here. We want to change the mode from cool. Now watch how it changes also in this field and on that field. So now it's on dry. That's dehumidifying. And it might give me the temperature. Yeah, it's showing the temperature. You can hear it drop. Let's do it again. Now we're in just fan. All right, now if I want to change the speed of the fan, I come over here. I can go low. I can go low or I can go high. See how it changed there? All right, now if I want to get out of fan, I want to go to cool, I click this. And it goes to cool. And that's it right there. Now if you want it to swing, it's got the swing thing here. Let's see what happens when we do the swing. All right. I don't see anything swinging. Let's go back. Oh, all right, I see that, watch. 75. All right, so I'm not quite sure what the swing's doing. It's not really, I don't see anything swinging here, so that's, Here's a dimmer, asleep 5 seconds. So I guess you can press this and it goes to sleep in 5 seconds. You got a timer on here, and I guess you can set it for the number of hours. If you look in here, you're gonna see it tells you that it's on cool. It's got that cool button there. So when you go through here, it's gonna change. It also has Fahrenheit and centigrade, but it doesn't really show, it doesn't have a way to change it for some reason. Maybe on here you can change it, I don't know. It shows it here, centigrade and Fahrenheit. It's set for Fahrenheit because we're in the United States. So I guess that's how it works. But the dimmer, let's see what happens when we click the dimmer. Oh, I see what happens. So what that does is it turns off the light. Turn it back on. All right, so if it's in your bedroom and you want to sleep and you don't want light, you click that and it goes out. Click that and it comes back on. And then the timer, if you click this, it doesn't really tell me what it does. So that's kind of weird. That doesn't do anything. We'll have to figure that out. We have to read the directions. But that's the basic operation of it. So you guys should be able to hook it up, put it in a window, get it started, and get yourself cooled off. Let's lower the temperature. And that's it. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.